Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back. So guys, as part of the today's session, I just want to give you a brief overview on this particular homebrew. So what is this a homebrew and why exactly we need this particular homebrew? In general, whenever you are working on APM, this is a mandatory thing that we will install first to your machine. The only thing that it does is basically it's a package manager, ideally, which is used to simplify the various installations that are required for us to work on APM basically. Okay, like the node components and other things basically. In order to simplify that particular chunk itself, we are gonna use this homebrew. So homebrew installation on a Mac. So I was just picking it up on a Mac. So this is required when you are working on a Mac machine. If you are working on a Windows machine, it's not required. So directly I navigated to the official website and this is the command here. I just copied this particular command. Open the terminal instance and directly paste the command and hit enter button. Automatically the homebrew will be installed. Ideally with this a homebrew, right? So if you want to install any kind of a packages on top of a node, or if you want to install anything related to APM dependencies, all those things that can be easily managed using this particular homebrew. That's the reason this is a kind of a prerequisite that you need to configure your machine when you are working on a Mac. Okay, when you are working on a Mac, it's a mandatory thing that you need to install ahead. Okay, before starting with the regular configuration. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next session with a small example. Thank you. Bye bye.